important topic in post-harvest engineering of cereals, pulses, and oilseeds. Okay, what is conventional and modern rice milling? As we all know, conventional means traditionally followed method that we are generally used to mill the rice, and modern rice milling is currently we are using to reduce our manpower and our time. As we all know, India is a rice bowl, and milling is very important in our India. Like because rice is our stable grain, right? We have many byproducts in rice. For getting that byproducts, we have to mill that rice first. So, world's second largest producer of rice is India, and it is also one of the staple food. It is mainly the primary source for many livelihood for millions, and also milling process is officially very critical to appreciating its product impact in our daily lives. The traditional way. What is the traditional way? It is a conventional rice milling. It is often used in rural areas. Typically, it involves a simple machinery or manual process. Generally, we have seen in villages, right? This method usually consists of single pass huller that removes the husk and whiten the rice, and we can get our milled flour. The primary objective is to separate the husk, bran, and germ from the paddy to produce edible white rice. This process often results in a significant amount of broken rice and inconsistent finish due to the lack of precise control over the various stages. As generally the conversion method is done by manual, right? So there is a lack in efficiency. In this slide, we can see what are the limitations that generally we are facing while doing conventional milling, like high grain breakage. Generally, in conventional method, we are doing by our hands traditionally. So, when the rice is passed through a single pass hullers, it reaches to a high percentage of broken rice, and it impacts reduced in the market value and profitability for millers. And also, there is an inconsistent in quality, like lack of precision control, result in uneven polishing, and also leaving some grains under milled, and significant wastage. Besides broken rice, there are very valuable byproduct we can get from rice, like bran, jam, and endosperm. They are generally get wasted in traditional milling, and also it has very lower efficiency compared to the modern milling. As we all know, we are living in the world of technologies, right? So in milling, we have very modern equipments to make our work faster and efficiently. So modern milling, generally it has a multi-stage operations. It is used to enhance our operation efficiently and to improve the grain quality. These technologies are generally in advanced machinery. We are generally used from cleaning to destoning and from the last stage of packaging. These are the stages generally we are down in modern rice processing. Like here we have some six types of steps that generally we are using in modern rice processing. First, pre-cleaning and destoning. As we all know, rice we are getting it has a multiple number of stones and physical contaminants. First, we have to remove the dust, dirt, and foreign particles. Next, we have to do dehusking. Dehusking means generally we are going to remove the outer surface area of the rice. Next stage is paddy separation. It separates the unhulled paddy from our grain. And whitening and polishing, it is very important steps. It removes the bran layer to achieve the desired whiteness of our rice. And last one is shifting and grading. It is generally very important. Shifting is after whitening and polishing, and the grains are shifted from one place to another to for grading, because in grading we separate the grades of rice based on their quality, and then color sorting is done to check their deficiency. And what are the enhanced yield and superior quality? Like what are the benefits, advantages we are generally get from modern milling, like increased head rice yield and consistent and premium quality, efficient byproduct recovery. It is very important, efficient byproduct recovery and reduced operating cost. What are the economic and environmental impact, sustainability in rice milling? Like modern milling not only boosts economic result, but also it gives a higher yield and a better quality of our finished product, and also it provides environmental sustainability. By promoting resource utilization, it reduces the energy consumption and utilizing the efficient use of byproducts, and also these technologies lower the carbon footprint of rice production, and it shift moves towards a more sustainable and environmentally friendly ecosystem. It also brings security to our food for future generation. Success stories like in India, numerous states are witnessing the transformative power for the modern rice milling, especially in the areas like Punjab and Andhra Pradesh. They are the early adopters of modern rice milling. We can see their significant increase in milling in their entire consumption of rice, like ranging from 5 to 10 percentage higher than the conventional methods. So followed by them, many states are now currently adapted to the modern methods. So it translates into millions of rupees in additional revenue for millers also. And furthermore, it helps domestically and internationally to India, a leading rice exporter also. These are the some success stories that we have got because to the adoption of modern methods. The future of rice milling in India here, like when we have to prioritize modernization, like heavy equipments and focus on training, we have to promote sustainability,